this video, I'm going to show you how the timesheet works. So here I am on employee profile, and this is my profile. So as you can see, some of it here that you see the information that you guys have already, and when people started, how many pay hours they have. And what's different is that they will have an additional section on vacation, use, vacation remaining, how much sick days, how many days that were holidays. So all the information about this particular client have time back, bank time that they use. And so this information goes from timesheet and pay periods. So, and timesheets are here. So I'm a test user, and obviously I have only one timesheet, but you can see that they go by pay period according to your schedule. So there will be different pay periods for different years. And each timesheet, once it's approved, it changes status. So in the beginning they are in draft, all the timesheets for the year, and what people do, employers, they would click on their timesheet, and this is for a particular pay period from 2017. There's a total of 15 days, and people can add sometimes extra entries just to facilitate the calculation. And what you will have a hour summary that obviously goes all into the report. So for example, you will have for everybody how many hours worked, time and a half, and how much remaining. So this is a summary of everything that you can have in terms of time. And what people do, people enter it instead of Excel or paper. Would be days. So in this case, what people do, they modify them in mass. So each day, depending on the day that we created, people can say, okay, Monday, how did I work this particular pay? And they can add, this is different categories to which we can, so to say, bill a particular time, and they add time in and time to break, because in this case the break is not paid, and what time they left, and they can add notes. And then there's all these hours will if it's none, all these hours will calculate and then go to you can have half an hour. So that's the time that people wanted, and some people work different hours, so they can add additional times. And this particular time sheet here, you'll have all the hours. They can add a new entry for this particular day. So if they need to break out their timesheet in terms of, on the 12th I actually worked twice, they can do so. And by saying like, where does it go, they can put that this was a holiday. So if this would be a holiday, we can actually modify it directly from here and say that this was a vacances. So if that's a vacation, then obviously that will roll up to the particular vacation was this much. And then all of that obviously goes to report and goes for payment processing. But that's basically the idea how the timesheet is approved. And as you saw, my approval goes to my supervisor for approval, and that person will approve our timesheet. And then yeah, that's how it works, the timesheets. So it has, as you can see, it has employee profile, additional section to sum up all the hours for that particular employees, and we reset them every year when the pay period is closed, or whatever your policy is. And each timesheet has days, and each days we can code it. They can decide where how they will report their time. And that's basically the timesheet mechanism that we created for people, for our clients in Salesforce. Let me know if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thanks a lot.